Let's connect Shark Matrix to Wi-Fi. So to do this, you're gonna mainly have to use the app. So go to your Play Store and download the Shark Clean app for us. And then once you've done that, you probably won't have an account yet. So go ahead and sign up using your email address and adding your password, and then just log in. Now you're gonna have to use a 2.0 GHz Wi-Fi network. So make sure you connect your phone to the same Wi-Fi you want this robot to use. Since once you get it set up, as you can see, let's get your robot connected to the app. It's gonna ask you to connect to Wi-Fi. So if you're not, it's gonna say you don't appear to be on Wi-Fi. Then what you're gonna do is press and go to settings and just choose the Wi-Fi you want to connect to your robot. And once you've done that, you can put the Shark Matrix near the router and dock and make sure the robot is charged, powered on, and close enough to the router for setup, since weak signals can make the pairing fail. And then in the robot app, once you chose your specific model and you finish up the setup, you will be able to do the final setups, which is the schedules, the mapping, and those kind of stuff. Then you could just connect and test it. You could enter your Wi-Fi password, wait for the app to finish pairing, and then start a quick mapping and then cleaning, or send the robot to the dock to confirm it is connected. But that's pretty much the way you can connect it to Wi-Fi. You use the app itself. So hopefully this video helps. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.